Hey guys, so tonight we're working on my wife's 2009 Jeep Wrangler JLU. She was having some issues today with the door lock on the interior switch not unlocking the passenger door. She went to drop our kids off at daycare, and normally, you'd hit this interior switch, unlocks the passenger side, you lock the passenger side. She wasn't getting that this morning, so first thing I did to troubleshoot it was test the key fob. It was working fine. The exterior locks, they were working fine. So passenger door lock, it worked fine. So that tells me it's not an issue with the door locks themselves. There's something going on initially, I thought, with this switch. So I went and pulled the passenger side switch off because I know it works. Brought it over here. You just quickly slide this white tab up and push down, and this whole thing disconnects. There's a piece of trim here. You just be gentle, and it clips in. You pop it off with a flat blade screwdriver. And when I got back over here and plugged in the passenger side, still nothing was happening. So next I went to the wiring harness. Down here at the kick panel, we had the doors off this weekend, so I'm thinking maybe something got bent, something got broken on the way, putting them back together. So what I did was, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Took this off and, well, there we go. Inspected the inside, so it's one that's bent again right now, but as you can see, those top few pins, they were all bent upwards, so somehow not making contact in there. So I just took my flat blade screwdriver, bent them back down again. If you got fingernails, which I don't, you can bend them down with your fingernails. And first time I tried it, nothing happened. I pulled the plug back off, it was bent again. So tried it a second time, and that did the trick. So if you're having this issue with your Jeep with either driver's side or passenger side door lock switch not working, it's a super simple fix. It's a little bit aggravating. We take these doors off a couple times a month during the summertime, so it's a little bit aggravating that these pins get bent, but thank goodness that was a simple solution. She was going to take it to the dealer, and even though it only has 42,000 miles on it, they were going to charge a $179 diagnostic fee to take. I fixed this in 5 minutes, so I guess she can pay me $179 now. But I hope this helps. Comment below if you've had a similar issue, and see if this fixes it for you.